kind of scary because if I throw it this way and something happens, it's going to land on the hood of the Corvette. If I throw it that way, it can land on the sign. So I'm just going to have to do this
perfectly.
No pressure. And I don't even know if it's long enough to get there. Oh. Okay. I just don't know if it actually is long enough. Are you serious? Maybe I can whip it over.
Less than ideal.
Alright, but now I know that it'll make it. Third time's the charm. Oh my goodness.